How to prepare and submit reports for a Singapore company. Doing business in Singapore requires compliance with a number of financial and tax reporting obligations. Let's discuss the main points. What and when to file. There are two main reportings which every company in Singapore is required to perform each year. Annual return. This is an annual report that must be filed with the Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority, ACRA, within 7 months of the end of the financial year. The report includes information about the directors, shareholders, and the state of the company. A corporate tax return that is filed with the Inland Revenue Authority of Singapore. It is also referred to as a tax declaration. The deadline for filing is the 30th of November. Even if there are no taxes payable, the report must be filed. The reporting basis is the previous calendar year for which the financial statements are already prepared and approved by the company. If the company is registered for GST, Goods and Services Tax, then it is also required to file quarterly GST returns. This is mandatory for companies with an annual turnover of over 1 million Singapore dollars and whose supplies are not out of GST scope, like, for example, a fully offshore activity outside of Singapore borders. Who files? The filing can be done by one of these three people, depending on the type of document. The company's secretary is usually the main person who handles filing of annual returns and tax returns. The secretary is a mandatory officer in the company's structure, whether employed or not, who ensures that corporate formalities are followed and the reports are submitted to ACRA on time. The director of the company can also file the necessary returns. It is quite common for small companies with simple reporting. However, the director must have access to the SingPass and CorPass, which are not available for non-residents. Therefore, in the companies which are run from abroad, these functions are usually performed by company secretary or outsourced to accounting firms. Accounting firm. Many companies hire professionals to do their bookkeeping and file tax returns. These companies obtain authorized access from the company's owners to perform all their necessary filings. Hiring professionals helps minimize errors and ensures compliance with all local requirements. Accounting preparation options and prices. Financial statements of the company can be prepared in 3 ways. First, a summary report based on the aggregated data received from the company owners or directors. This is a quick and cost-effective option which is often chosen by small companies. Using the bank statements and other supporting documents, a report is prepared with a breakdown by major expense categories, for example, sales expenses or bank fees. The usual cost involves the base fee and the transaction fee, which is around $2 per transaction on average. Second, with the transaction detailization detailing. An Excel file, which includes general ledger, is created with the detailed accounting of each transaction, where each operation is linked to invoices and statements. This is a more detailed report for better control. The cost also includes the base fee and the transactions fee, which can be $2 or $3 per transaction on average. Third option is using an accounting program. All transactions are entered into a program such as Xero or QuickBooks in real time, as soon as they occur or by the end of the day. This option provides an easier and quicker overview of the current state of the business, including potential profit and loss situation, potential tax liabilities, and even inventory in real time. It can also automate many accounting tasks, like payroll and bulk payments, for example. A subscription to the accounting programs with decent functionalities costs from $500 to $700 per year, plus the necessary payment to the accountant for the work. If you have any questions or need help with filing reports, write to us and we will be happy to advise you.